going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's an exciting day. You're gonna hear some clips of the stock exhaust. Honestly, Dodge did it. I mean, not Dodge, well, Ram. They're like their own separate thing now, but Ram did a great job with the exhaust on this. But I don't know, I was looking for something a little bit more, just a little bit louder. I was thinking about just doing a mid muffler delete and then just be with that, but then I thought it might be a little too raspy. So I decided to go an exhaust route. If you look for the TRX, you'll see a lot of them already. There's like the MBRP, there's the AWE, and there's the Borla Attack, which I was leaning towards the Borla Attack, but I kind of wanted to see what Corsa was going to do. When I had my Jeep SRT, I was a big fan of the Corsa exhaust, especially the Xtreme. So I kept reaching out to them ever since I got the truck, and they just kept letting me know it's going to be like in a month or 2 months they were going to release their exhaust system. So there was like 3 options. I know it was like the full Xtreme exhaust, there was like a mid muffler delete option, and then I think there was another one where it was like you keep the stock tips and it's basically just maybe they're mufflers or something like that. So I know there was 3 options, but I ended up going with the full Xtreme exhaust, which I'm really excited to get right now. So you're gonna hear, like I said, a lot of stock exhaust clips, and I just want to make sure I hide my address, but you're gonna see it here. There it is. So the 21 plus Ram TRX 6.2 pipe kit with 6-inch tips, and you can see the GNM right there. So there's 2 boxes. I haven't opened it up yet, but the GNM means it's the gunmetal tips, so I figured that'd be a cool look, because right now it just has the stock black tips. I believe those are 5 inches anyway, so there's still going to be massive tips, but I figure the gunmetal just kind of give it like a little more offset. It's not all just black. So I am trying to shoot some stock clips of the TRX before I'm trying to get everything. I got a cold start. I'm gonna do a couple of revs, a warm idle, and I'll probably throw the GoPro on the back and try to get some actual driving clips of it. And then once I get the exhaust put on, so in New York they're making all these stupid laws. I believe New York and California are the first 2 about exhaust sounds and stuff like that, so a lot of people won't touch it. So I'm not going to say who did my install, but luckily I found somebody who's going to do it. right, guys, so I finally got the exhaust on. You're gonna hear the sound clips and everything. This one is basically just gonna be driving in the car, in the truck. Make sure I don't hit nobody. So yeah, so they claim they have this free drone technology, and I've been driving a little bit since I got it done at the shop. And you really don't notice it, only on startups and when you're wide open throttle. Like right now, I have the windows down. I mean, hopefully you guys can hear me, but it basically just sounds stock. So I was looking on the website. I believe it's 8 decibels louder than stock. I don't know how much that is. And it also weighs, it's an extra 17 pounds than what the stock exhaust is also. But yeah, just cruising around, I mean, it basically just sounds stock. But then once you go wide open throttle, that's when it starts screaming. So let me see if I can do a little quick pull over here. I don't have the AC on, I have nothing, so here we go. I mean, it's like in the truck, it's not as loud as you hear outside. Because when they like took the truck off the lift and they started putting on, started like revving the pedal, I was like, damn, that's loud. But inside the truck, you really don't hear anything. I have nothing on, not even the air conditioner. Like, you don't really hear it. I mean, you can kind of hear the growl when you're like stopped at a light and it's quiet. But if you have your music on and stuff, you're not going to really hear it at all until you do the wide open throttle. But if anyone has like their windows down next to you, they're definitely going to hear it. You know, on YouTube, it's hard to tell like what sounds good, what doesn't, especially on a video. But you know, I tried my best to capture everything, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So that's gonna do it for this video, and catch you guys on the next one. Peace.